Hello, my name is Emma, and I am your teacher.
Hi, Emma. My name is Mark, and I am a student.
It is very nice to meet you today, Mark.
It is nice to meet you too. I am very nervous.
Don't be nervous. Learning English is like a fun game.
I hope so. My English is very, very bad.
No, it is not bad. It is just at the beginning.
I know only a few words from movies and songs.
That is a great start. Do you like music?
Yes, I love rock music and old jazz bands.
We can use songs to learn many new words.
That sounds much better than boring grammar books.
We will use books too, but only a little.
What is the first thing we should do today?
First, let's learn how to introduce yourself simply.
I can say my name and my city.
Good. Can you tell me where you are from?
I am from a small town near the mountains.
That sounds beautiful. Is it cold in your town?
Yes, it is very cold and snowy in winter.
I love the snow. I like to drink hot chocolate.
Me too. It is my favorite drink when it rains.
Look, you are already speaking English very well.
Oh, you are right. I am talking to you.
See, you just needed a little bit of confidence.
Thank you, Emma. You are a very kind teacher.
I am here to help you. Let's open our notebooks.
I have a new pen and a clean notebook.
Perfect. Let's write our first 3 words today.
I am ready. Let's start the lesson.
Let's look at the letters A, B, and C.
I know these letters, but the sounds are different.
Yes, the letter A sounds like apple or cat.
Ah is for apple. Ah is for cat.
Perfect. Your pronunciation is very clear and good.
Thank you. I listen to a lot of English podcasts.
That is excellent. Listening helps your brain learn faster.
But I don't understand all the words in podcasts.
That is normal. You only need to hear the melody.
The melody of the language. That sounds very poetic.
English has a rhythm, like a song or a dance.
I want to learn that rhythm soon.
We will practice every day. Now, let's try the letter B.
B is for book. B is for banana.
Correct. You are a very fast student, Mark.
I practice at home in front of the mirror.
That is a secret trick of the best students.
I feel a bit silly talking to myself in the mirror.
Don't feel silly. It helps you see your mouth move.
The letter C is difficult. Is it cat or city?
It can be both. It depends on the next letter.
English is a very tricky language, I think.
Yes, it has many rules and many exceptions.
I will try to remember them all one by one.
Don't try to learn everything in one day.
You are right. Small steps are better than big jumps.
Exactly. Now, let's write a simple sentence together.
I want to write, I am a student.
That is a perfect first sentence for your book.
I am a student. Done.
Now let's talk about the colors around us.
I know red, blue, and green. What is this?
This is yellow, like the sun or my cardigan.
Yellow. It is a very bright and happy color.
What color is your favorite sweater, Mark?
My favorite sweater is dark green, like the forest.
Green is the color of nature and life.
My car is silver. It is very old but fast.
Silver is a great word. It sounds like a coin.
I have a cat. She is white and very fluffy.
What is her name? I love white cats.
Her name is Snowy. She likes to sleep on books.
That is a very English name for a cat.
Look at the sky outside. It is very blue today.
Yes, it is a beautiful blue sky, no clouds.
In my town, the sky is often gray and dark.
Gray can be beautiful too. It is the color of rain.
I prefer the yellow sun. It makes me happy.
Me too. Sun gives us energy for our lessons.
Can we learn the names of fruits and colors?
Sure, a red apple, a yellow banana, a green pear.
And an orange orange? That is a funny one.
Yes, the fruit and the color have the same name.
That makes it very easy for me to remember.
You have a very good sense of humor, Mark.
Thank you. Humor helps me when I am tired.
We have 10 minutes left for this part of the lesson.
Time flies when I am talking to you, Emma.
That means you are enjoying the English language.
Yes, I think I really like it now.
Mark, look at this map. Where do you want to go?
I want to visit London. It is my big dream.
London is a city with a very long history.
I want to see the Big Ben and the river.
You will need to ask for directions in London.
That is why I am here. I need to be ready.
Let's practice a simple question. Where is the station?
Where is the station? Did I say it right?
Perfect. You sounded like a real Londoner.
Thank you. I want to buy a ticket too.
1 ticket to the center, please. Try to say that.
1 ticket to the center, please. Is it expensive?
In London, yes, it can be expensive.
I will save my money for the trip.
Do you want to visit New York one day?
Yes, I want to see the tall buildings and the park.
New York is very loud and very busy.
I like big cities. They have a lot of energy.
My brother lives in New York. He loves the food there.
I want to eat a real American burger.
You can order it. A burger and a cola, please.
A burger and a cola, please. I am hungry now.
Me too. Talking about food is dangerous.
What is your favorite country, Emma?
I love Italy. The weather is warm and the food is great.
I want to go there too. Is English useful in Italy?
Yes, people use English all over the world.
That is very good for me. One language for everyone.
It is the bridge between different cultures.
I want to build that bridge in my head.
Let's pretend I am a waitress in a cafe.
Okay, I am a customer and I am hungry.
Hello, are you ready to order your breakfast?
Hello, I want a coffee and a sandwich, please.
Sure. Do you want milk and sugar in your coffee?
No sugar, please, but I want a lot of milk.
And what kind of sandwich do you want?
I want a cheese and tomato sandwich, please.
Excellent choice. Anything else for you today?
No, thank you. How much is the total?
That will be $10, please.
Here is $20. Keep the change.
You are a very generous customer, Mark.
I am a happy customer because the service is good.
You did a great job with this conversation.
I forgot the word for napkin.
A napkin is for cleaning your mouth. Repeat, napkin.
Napkin.
I will remember this word for next time.
You used please and thank you. That is very polite.
Manners are important in every language.
Yes, being polite makes people want to help you.
I am feeling more comfortable speaking now.
That is because you are not thinking about grammar.
I am just thinking about the sandwich and the coffee.
That is the secret. Focus on the message, not the rules.
I want to practice more role plays in the future.
We will do a different one every week.
Can we do at the airport next time?
Yes, that is a very useful situation for travelers.
I'm excited for the next lesson already.
Our hour is almost finished for today, Mark.
I am sad. I want to continue learning.
We must rest our brains for a bit.
What is my homework for the next lesson?
I want you to learn 5 new words about your house.
5 words? That is very easy. I can do 10.
Okay, 10 words then. Chair, table, bed, and more.
I will write them down and draw small pictures.
Drawing pictures is a fantastic idea for memory.
I also want to listen to one English song.
Great! Try to write down 3 words from the song.
I will choose a slow song so I can hear the words.
You are a very motivated student, Mark.
I really want to speak English fluently one day.
You are on the right path. Just keep going.
Thank you, Emma. You made this hour very special.
It was a pleasure to teach you. You are very smart.
Should I bring the same notebook next time?
Yes, please. We will fill it with many stories.
I am putting my pen in my bag now.
I am looking forward to our next meeting on Tuesday.
Tuesday at 5 o'clock, I will be here.
Have a wonderful and productive week, Mark.
You too, Emma. Goodbye for now.
Goodbye. See you very soon.
I am going to buy a green apple now.
A green apple for a great student.
I will remember the word green forever.
He is going to be a brilliant student.
I am finally learning English.